In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the tailgate cables on this Dodge Ram 1500. This is what holds your tailgate once you open it. Let's get started. Now with the tailgate open, you may have to lift up a little bit on the tailgate to create some slack on this end of the cable. And you want to peel back this small thin metal tab, and this is what locks this in. Once that has gone over the bolt, you can push this up into the wider cutout and unhook the cable. On the other end of the cable, use a T45 socket and remove the bolt that holds the cable onto the tailgate. There it is. Now if you had your new cable, you would take the cable with that same T45 socket, start the bolt in. Once you've started it onto its threads, make sure that this washer with the hook goes right into that opening. And now snug it up once it gets to the end. Once you have it snugged up, double check that this still pivots around. It should. And now hook the cable back on the other end. There you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.